today.
I love a dream.
Children from Syria will ask, what is war?
Children from France will ask, what is the terrorist attack?
People from Brazil will ask, what are the slums?
Children from India will ask, what is poetry?
Children from Germany will ask, what are the concentration camps?
Children from Korea will ask, what is a dictatorship?
Children from Spain will ask, what is corruption?
Children from Colombia will ask, what is drug dealing?
Children from Afghanistan will ask, what is a gun?
Children from Chernobyl incident will ask, what is radioactivity?
Children from Mexico will ask, what is murder?
Children from Sahara will ask, what is hunger?
Children from Africa will ask, what is lack of water? Children from my town will ask, what is gun? Children from all over the world will ask, what is robbery? Children without the schools will ask, what is an exam?
I have a dream.
These words are not used anymore. That's why they have been removed from dictionaries.
So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.